Hi everyone, a pleasant and blessed day to all, especially to my classmate here in Book Writing Challenge, Batch 27, and of course to our dear lovely mentor and coach, Miss Chat Nasino. I'm Lilibet Porcin Kulalaiman, the author of the book Love, Forgive, and Be Free. The power of love is the key to forgiveness. I am a teacher by profession here in Quezon Province. Just a brief story, how did I came up with this writing course? I'm looking for a master course online when this book writing challenge by Ma'am Cha appeared. Her introduction really caught me as she says, "Do you want to write a book? Even you're not a writer? Join me in my masterclass." I was then surprised and got excited because it was my dream to become a writer someday. And it sold me back when I was in high school. I really loved to write poems and short stories, and I attempted to be part of our school publication, but I only did it when I was in fourth year. And as I joined this master course, it's opened up my mind that it was my writing skill to master. Now, I am not writing a poem nor short story, but a book. The book that I am launching now. So let me share you my screen about my book. So this is my book, Love, Forgive, and Be Free. The Power of Love is the Key to Forgiveness. This is my first book that I've written. It is based on my personal story on how God teaches me to become a more loving and forgiving soul. It has 7 chapters where you can learn more about how to love, to forgive, and be free. How does the power of love become the key to forgiveness? And what kind of love is that? And as you read this inspiring book, this inspiring Christian book, you will also understand what is all about the forgiveness and what's all about to forgive. So it's how did forgiveness become a crucial life skill that everybody must learn and possess? And it's more than that, more than anything, why God has to be sent His Son for us, mankind. So once again, thank you, Mang Cha, and for the rest of your team. The blueprint of your writing course guides me and lead me to my dream, a real author and writer today. So if you want to know more about my book, you can grab the copy of it that will be printed and soon be available. It's a perfect gift for your loved ones, friends, families, and of course, or especially for those who are struggling with their anger in their hearts. So may you enjoy reading this Christian book as you grab it. Thank you, and to God be all the glory.